In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Assalamu alaikum. The commemorative banknote of ₹75 issued by SBB will be available for public from which date? September 30, 2022. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif addressed the 77th session of UNGA on which date? September 23, 2022. 6 Pakistan Army servicemen martyred in helicopter crashed in which city? Arnai. Name the 10 years old first Pakistani YouTuber who earned Diamond Play button of YouTube. Musa Tanveer. In which city was the Mehrgarh Museum inaugurated? Quetta. Who is our current finance minister? Ishaq Dar. Who had most runs in Asia Cup 2022? Mohammad Rizwan. Hollywood star Angelina Jolie arrived in Pakistan to visit families affected by floods on which date? September 20, 2022. When renowned educationist and politician Lord Lakhani passes away? 8 September 2022. Who became first police woman from Balochistan to head Punjab District Security? Shazia Sarwar. Which country will host Asia Pacific ICT Alliance Awards 2022? Pakistan. Who represented Pakistan in annual meeting of SCO held in September 2022 in Uzbekistan? Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. 6th September 2022 marks which defense of Pakistan? 56th. Pakistan Air Force Day is celebrated on 7th September. Which of the following became 35th District of Balochistan September 2022? Hub. Who became first female Deputy Commissioner in the administrative history of Balochistan? Aisha Zahiri. Claudia Bebo appealed the world to cancel Pakistan's international debates aimed devastating floods. She belongs. UK. United Kingdom. Which team was declared the winners of the 2022 Kashmir Premium League? Mirpur Royals. Which death anniversary of Ashfaq Ahmed observed on 7 September 2022? 18th. Pakistan observed a National Day of Mourning on dash over the death of Queen Elizabeth II, 12th September. Former Empire Asad Rauf passed away on which date? 14th September 2022. Sri Lanka won Asia Cup Final 2022 by defeating which country? Pakistan. National Navy Day, 8th September. According to UN, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh to see dash rise in surface zone levels 20%. When UN Chief Antonio Guterres arrived on the two-day visit to Pakistan, 9 September 2022. As of 30 September, how many people killed in Pakistan due to flood in since June 2022? 1700. 1st September 2022 marks dash death anniversary of Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani. First, which martyrdom anniversary of Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed observed in 2022? 57th. Which death anniversary of Quaid-e-Azam observed on 11 September 2022? 74th.